Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to Gucci. I want to get something. I will unbox it at the end of the video. And after that, I'm going to Louis Vuitton to check out a few tops. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. Please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few luxury shopping vlogs, jewelry. I talked about my favorite beauty products, Chanel bags, Dior. I also posted a few weekly vlogs, travel vlogs, and style and fashion. My first stop is Gucci, and this is what I'm wearing today. This blouse, jeans, and this is my bag for the day. And I actually came here for one specific item. I like this sweater, but at the moment they don't have it in my size. This one is in a large size and the SA will bring it to me in the extra small. I'm just gonna wait for a few minutes, but I want to show you this sweater up close meanwhile, and hopefully I will get my size. But I think this sweater is not too bad. It's not too obvious. Usually I stay away from anything the vloggers, but I don't know why I like this particular sweater. I like the cutting. I like that it's not very long. It's pretty flattering, even though this one is massive. This is the biggest size they have. So I presume my size would look much better. My SA also brought to me this sweater, which is quite cute with all these buttons. I like it. This one is in my size, in the extra small, and I think it's fine, but I think the other design is more me. But sometimes it's nice to have sweater with buttons because you can wear a different top underneath and you can create more outfits. I like it. It's a bit longer than the other one. It's not as cropped, but it's cute. And I like that it's off-white. I could style it with my Chanel Mary Jane shoes, with my white Chanel classic flat bag. Maybe if the other sweater doesn't fit, I could consider getting this one. And here is the sweater in my size, and I absolutely love it. The sleeves look better. They're still a bit long, but it's not too bad. I like the neckline. It's quite flattering. It's beautiful. I think I'm gonna get this one. I know that I will be wearing it quite often. I like the fact that it's not very thick. It's actually quite nice for Singapore weather. It gets quite cold in the shopping centers, especially in the winter time. Well, I shouldn't say it gets cold because many people actually find it quite pleasant, but I tend to freeze if I wear just a light t-shirt. I always need to have like a cardigan or a light jacket, especially when it rains a lot. So this sweater is just perfect in my opinion. I'm so gonna get it, and I will also try on some other items that I spotted. I don't have much time here, but I selected a few items that I think would suit me. I think this jacket is pretty cute. It's not very thick. It's quite flattering too. I like that it's A-line, and there is this GG button at the top, which is so cute. I like it, and I like the color. I have a very similar jacket that is thicker. I usually wear it when I'm in the UK. This logo is quite big though. I usually style it with my long black gloves. They are up to my elbow. I think this is such a cute look, and I would wear it with black skinny jeans and some high heels, and a black classic flat bag would look great here too. Today I can only show you how it would look with my beige Chanel classic flat bag and the sling bags. I think it's not too bad, but the black would look the best here. That's my favorite color combination, red and black. It's just perfect for European weather, or it would be perfect to wear it in Hong Kong or in Taiwan when it's just not too cold. but you need some kind of a light jacket. It's a bit too warm for Singapore. I don't know if I would be able to wear it here. I hope soon it would be safe to travel again and I could wear this kind of clothes. I really miss colder weather. Anyways, I'm gonna think about this jacket if I really need it. It's beautiful. I like the design and I'm so impressed with the designs of Gucci this season. They're so much nicer than the previous one. I have previously posted the vlog that I will link down for you guys in the comment section down below in case you want to check it out. Also, I saw this top, which is quite cute. I like the color, but I think the logo is making it a bit uncomfortable for me. It's a bit more prominent here, but I like the color. It's a bit longer too. I think if it was shorter, it would be probably a bit more flattering. I will try to tuck it in and show to you guys. Okay, so it looks a bit better, but it's not ideal. I'm not sure if I like it. Probably will not be getting this one. I also saw this dress. It's so stunning. I like this detail. The cut is really flattering, but you have to be careful of this button. It can actually scratch you. You have to open it and only then button it up. And I think the fabric is really nice too, but there is one problem. This dress is very short on me and my height is 5.7. You can see it's so short. I would not feel comfortable wearing it anywhere. It's just too much, but it's beautiful. I think it would look amazing on a petite girl. If you like this style, I highly recommend it. It's quite pretty. And I like that it's in a black color too. I'm at LV now. I'm gonna check out if I like anything from the clothes. I want to see the new collection. I haven't been to LV for a while, and even last time when I went to the store I only tried 2 items. It's quite interesting. I have noticed that the stock in all the stores is different. Like for example, I haven't seen this sweater before. And this scarf, it's so pretty. I feel like the inventory in the store is not too bad, but my favorite one is at MBS. It seems like they have even more stock there. I usually wear this kind of scarves in the office. They're very handy, but nowadays I'm working from home. Moving on to jewelry, so many beautiful items. By the way guys, I have previously posted a vlog when I tried on LV fine jewelry. There are so many amazing items. I will not be trying this ones. By the way, I tried this collection as well, the rings and the earrings and necklaces. I will link down that video for you guys in the description box below, and I will also link down other LV related videos in case you guys want to check them out. I feel like after I get those key items from Cartier and VCA, I might as well focus on LV jewelry. I'm gonna try on a few items that I quite like. I like this sweater. It's quite cute, but it's not in my size. It's in a size small. But let's see. Let me show you the price of this one. I think it's not too bad. The fabric is quite nice and this top is really pretty. I haven't checked the price. Let me check how much does it cost and show to you. I wonder. Okay. Oh wow, that's very expensive for LV item. I can buy a really nice sweater at Chanel for this kind of money. I'm sure Zara has similar alternatives, but let me show you how it looks. Despite of the price, I still like the color and the fabric. It's quite pretty and flattering, and it's good for Singapore weather. That's dangerous. That's how you can lose your earrings with the mask. Have to be very careful. I think that this top would look amazing with my beige Chanel Classic Flap bag. I think the color would match so well. I just don't like this section. It's coming out. I wish it was tighter for this kind of money. But that's how it looks with my bag. I think it's very pretty. It's so nice. I'm quite tempted. very beautiful top. What I like about LV that some of the designs are available for such a long time. Literally, some of the items I can see for over a year, which is a great thing. And that's what I like about the designer clothes. First of all, the quality is better. Second of all, it feels a bit more timeless. It's not like you buy something, it's available for a short time and then the item becomes dated. So basically, in short, when I shop, I don't like to feel like I made a mistake and wasted my money on something. Anyways, moving to another sweater that I think it's very cute. I like it. It's in a size small. It might be a bit too big for me, but let's see. I think it's a bit too big. It's not as flattering, I think, as my size, as the extra small would look, but it's not exactly too bad. The material is quite nice. It feels comfortable on my skin. I like it, and I like the details. This thing is so cute. I'll show it to you guys up close. This charms. Whoa, it's reflecting the light. I like it. Well, I like the sweater, but I'm not sure if I love it. I can think about this longer, and unlike of Chanel, inventory will still be available, which is a great thing. I don't like to have any sort of pressure when I shop as well. And I think this is it. I'm gonna go home and I will show you the item that I purchased. And I hope that you like it. By the way, guys, if you like this video, please consider giving it thumbs up. Alright, I'm at home now, so let's start unboxing. I'm so excited to show it to you. I totally didn't expect to like something like that with logos, but I like this particular item. Here is the receipt. Actually, I don't have many items from Gucci. I only have one bag, one belt, and I have two ready-to-wear items that I bought a few years ago, maybe around 3.5 years ago, and I never purchased anything since that time. And this sweater is so pretty. I like it. Let me show you the style code in case you guys are interested in this one. Sometimes you guys ask me about the style code, and I don't always keep all the receipts from the items that I buy, so I thought I would just feature it here, so at least it's in the video somewhere. I think I will get to use the sweater quite a lot, and of course I would have to dry clean it as other items, but I like the fact that it's so soft. And I like that it's not very long, and hopefully the logo is not that obvious compared with the other ones. What do you guys think? It's my first item with this many logos. Oh well. Anyways, guys, this is it. I hope that you like this video. Please consider giving it thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!